bethuna kuningi kunabathi listen no umhlaba mawuvalwe. Let me tell us, his sun is not gonna shine. Lathi ilanga ningitsheli loko, aningitsheli loko. I will shine for as long as I need to shine. I will rise. Bathi kuyavalwa kuyaklozwa. Ibinintsi into ngawe September sana first uqala waziphathela iinyanga ezibomvu. Then kwathiwa wena uyavala. Then abantu bathi no idate bayibhudile. Andiyazi uba bebeyithatha phi from the first place idate le ibhudiweyo. Naba bathi kuyadileya i-spaceship nto. Inintsi into yenu wabena khanihlaleni phantsi nilinde ixesha lokuba xa izinto ziphela ziyaziphelela because asiyazi uba niva ngabani lo mane nibhudisa ngeedeyiti enihlekisa. Funny thing is that iphuma eSouth Africa le nto. Siyathanda uzihlekisa ngelizwe. Andiyazi noba mhlawumbi it's the price of bread plus the madlanga commission. So it's just too much. It's too much. Abantu bafuna kuvalwe. Close it now. Hayi khanimeni alikafiki ilixa. Lindani. Bethuna Queen Nandi and the Rev. I-episode yanamhlanje, it was a lot. It was a lot. IbinobuSeptember. Like what? What was that? Like Queen Nandi isibindi selantuka nelantuka put together. Crocodile and dinosaur and isibindi esingaka. I would have fainted. I would have fainted. Like Queen Nandi ngamandla yo Queen Nandi son. Umama Florence Nightingale has nothing on you. Like ndifeyintile ndangu-Mrs. Rabbit and faint. That time funeke ndibambe intloko yomntana. Anyway, let's get into it. I-episode yanamhlanje, it was beautiful. It started beautifully. Siyaqabaqabisha ke mas. Rev and the boys went to an indoor soccer ndawo. It was beautiful, you know, even though one of the boys was like, engathi ukhe wadibana nebhodlela. Mrev, uthi wena best friend yakho le bhodlela. Hayi khuzeka ndoda endala. Yintoni uzimisele ubest friendana nebhodlela sowuphuma nabantwana ayishiyeki. Yo Hasana, but it looked like it was a nice just like a guys with Daddy and the boys like day out. But uMrev uyathanda ugiqa. Yho uyathanda uba ngu-cry me a river. Ndiyayazi uba strong men cry. Yho Mrev sana iinyembezi zakho ziza quick zindikhumbuza ezikatata uMusa. Kodwa utata uMusa hayi andiyazi Mrev uyathanda ugiqa maan. Wagiqa waphuma. Yho hayi ngu-cry me a river Mrev. Hayi. Ne-excitement yakho ibinawo was too much because ibhodlela. Oh liyathanda ubhudisa abantu eli bhodlela. Hayi sika. Siyabona ke ngoku. Look, they are a beautiful family. I think if bangalungisa iingxaki zabo really and thrive, they are a beautiful family. Siyabona uba it's like a games night type of thing. It looked like it was a nice evening. They're just enjoying themselves, you know. Kukho nalo mthandazo ke sana abazali bawuthandayo. Abantwana are not too fond of lo mthandazo. But it looked like really, it's like if izinto zabo zingalunga, you know, they would get the necessary therapy for abazali to work on themselves and the marriage and be like overcome many izinto that bangabamandi. Understand? Yeah. But there are things that need to be fixed. Then siyabona ke ngoku khona andithi best friend kaNandi ne-best friend kaMfura ke kumandi kuyiloo nto. Then i-best friend kaNandi ibizela uMfura ecaleni because when they went out with uNandi, uNandi had expressed zonke izinto angonwabanga ngazo, and I think she just wanted to say emfundise musicals, especially during this time of her pregnancy. Unkosikazi wakho really, really needs you. But i-conversation yabo ke sana ibhidene. Yaqonda siye zabhidana ibhobhile because umfundisi khangamvisisisi kakuhle sisozo. He misunderstood completely what she was trying to say to him. Guys, I don't know. Would you, if this was your friend, right? Your friend, nomyeni wakhe, they're having like issues emtshadweni. Do you come in as a shoulder to lean on for a friend yakho and to cry on and just give support to your friend, but you don't go and speak to the husband? Because when these people kiss and make up, I don't know. I think in my experience, and the husband, it doesn't always work out well. Sometimes it's like, nah. Nomrev felt like so is overstepping a boundary. But kwelaa cala neyakhe friend ithetha noNandi nayo. I don't know, guys. These things, they just have a way where ushiyeka uwedwa man emsini. You understand? Ushiyeka uwedwa in the fire. The lovebirds, they make up. And when are you still stuck there? So now I want to be a shoulder to lean on for a friend yam. But when it comes to ubeka umyeni womntu emgceni, andiyazi, guys. I'd rather send them to therapy there are free therapy sessions, by the way. I'd rather a marriage counselor. Sometimes you can get a number of sessions for free. I'd rather they did a book, whatever, but I just don't want to be in the middle of it, I want to be there for my friend, but I don't know. But get different strokes for different folks, I guess. If it works, it works. And when these people kiss and make up, and sometimes you don't understand, but hey, you mind your business. You mind your business. But it's just that sometimes you don't want to be too caught up with conflict zabantu, yabo. You need to set healthy boundaries for wena, yabo. Ungasoloko uzifumana uyi-ping pong in between conflicts zabo, because sometimes they can get too tired. Yemabethunana esona sigaxa ke ngoku owona September wale episode. Kwinandi uzibelekise kanjani ntombi? Uthi kuTikTok kwathini, kuYuyu kwathini? Wajonga ividiyo Kwinandi, no midwife in sight. Uzibelekise wedwa, like uFlorence Nightingale no has nothing on you, because kaloku abanye bethu besoba ngooMiss Rebecca, sifeyinte siphinde sifeyinte. That time funeke sibambe amandla amangaka ubuwathatha phi? Yewethu, hayi Kwinandi. Hayi Kwinandi in this day and age kaloku sana, because hayi man, andiyazi uba like isibindi sedinosaur, crocodile nentonto, isibindi esingakaya, big sibindi, big liver, Table Mountain of a liver. Where did you get it? Uyozibelekisa uncancisa umntanakhe and ukham. Yho, ndafeyinta. Yho. But ke sesibulela uba umntana ebe right, but I don't think it's something that you have to try in this day and age when uncedo is available esibhedlele. Like ii-midwives kanti abantu abazokugayida through i-home birth iye mhlawumbi ibe yinto ye-cost. Hayi, but sana do not try that. Don't try it unless ke mhlawumbi izenzekele wena ubu-booked for isibhedlele kwathini ungathanga. Into yozibelekisa ubukela kooYuyu. Oh, Kwinandi. But siyavuya urayithi nosana sana. Sophinde sibuye ke mabenina nisedemba waselodge. I hope apho nikhoyo nirayithi nonke emakhaya.